Hi, welcome to Physical Science 2.5 Collisions. These are some board examples that will be on the board, or we did them in class together on the board, but they're just in case you need a refresher. So here are the instructions. You're going to be given a picture. From that picture, you need to identify the type of collision that you have, where the momentum can be calculated either before or after. Calculate the momentum in that location, and then identify what the momentum will be on the other side. So here's your picture. You're given a car moving to the right and a truck that's apparently not moving. So what happens after they're together? Notice that you're given the mass of the car is 3, the mass of the truck is 2, the mass of the car and the truck together would be 5. The velocity of the car is 1.5. The truck is not moving, so the velocity is 0. And the question is, actually, what is the velocity of the car and truck together? So step 1 is, what type of collision is this? This would be inelastic because you have 2 leading to 1, which means they stick together. Second question is, where can you calculate the momentum? Well, where do you have all of the numbers? On the left of the squiggle or the right of the squiggle? If you said the left of the squiggle, you're right, and it would be before. You can calculate the momentum before. Part C, what is that momentum? Well, remember, calculating the momentum for the car is 3 times 1.5, which should be 4.5. Adding that to the truck, 2 times 0 is 0. You would get a momentum before to be 4.5 kilogram meter per second. So then what is the momentum in the other location or the other side? If you found the momentum before, then you should know the momentum after is also 4.5 kilogram meter per second. Number 2, you start with the car and truck together, kaboom, something happens, and the car and truck go sliding. Together they have a mass of 8. The car has a mass of 5. The truck has a mass of 3. The velocity of the car and truck together before, we don't know, but the velocity of the car is 2. Notice it's going in a negative direction. And the velocity of the truck is 1.5 in a positive direction. So again, what type of collision is this? Well, since you started with one thing and ended with 2, this would be an explosion. Part B, where can you calculate the momentum? Well, I have all of the numbers available after, so I can calculate after. What is that momentum? All right, now we got to be careful because direction does matter. The car's momentum is going to be a negative 10. 5 times a negative direction 2 is negative 10. The truck would be a positive 4.5. And negative 10 plus 4.5 is negative 5.5 kilogram meter per second. So the momentum after is a negative 5.5 kilogram meter per second. Therefore, what is the momentum on the other side? That would be a negative 5.5 kilogram meter per second before. Last one. You have a car and a truck. The car has a mass of 3, the truck has a mass of 2. The velocities, car has a velocity of 17, truck has a velocity of 3. Notice the direction. The car is going positive, the truck is going negative. After they collide, the truck goes negative. We don't know what the car goes negative. We don't know what the truck does. So what type of collision is this? Since you have 2 to 2, this would be an elastic collision. Where can you calculate the momentum? I have all the numbers on the left-hand side, so that would be before. What is that momentum? Well, momentum for the car is 3 times 17, which is 51. Momentum for the truck is 2 times a negative 3, which would be a negative 6. And 51 minus 6 is 45 kilogram meter per second. The momentum before would be 45 kilogram meter per second. Afterward, the momentum would also be 45 kilogram meter per second. This is what you're doing in class today. Be careful to watch direction. Thanks for watching.